Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Bitcoin from Exmo to Bitrue 2025. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin between exchanges, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and stress-free. By 2025, crypto transfers are even more efficient with enhanced security features, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Bitrue. You'll need Bitcoin in your Exmo wallet and should verify your identity on both platforms for smooth transactions. This helps prevent any hiccups along the way. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and select your Bitcoin wallet. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough BTC to cover the transfer, plus any network fees. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal page on Exmo. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address, which is from Bitrue. So, quickly switch to your Bitrue account. Log in, go to your Bitcoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always use the QR code or copy-paste directly to avoid typos, as that could send your Bitcoin to the wrong place. Step 3. Back on Exmo, paste the Bitrue wallet address into the withdrawal form. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Review the transaction details like fees, which are usually based on the Bitcoin network, and hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Make sure to verify everything before proceeding. Step 4. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin blockchain. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Bitrue account. You'll see the funds arrive once the transaction is confirmed. A quick word of caution: always enable two-factor authentication on both exchanges to protect your assets. Also, check for any updated fees or policies in 2025, as crypto rules can change. And remember, once you send Bitcoin, it's irreversible, so double-check everything. There you have it. Your Bitcoin is now on its way from Exmo to Bitrue. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.